ADAS isn't the far-off future, it's the present, and it's transforming the way shops operate now. More vehicles roll into the shops every day, requiring ADAS calibrations after common services like alignments, windshield replacements, and collision repairs. If your shop isn't performing ADAS calibrations yet, the question isn't whether you should start, it's how much revenue you're willing to leave on the table while you wait. Lost revenue adds up fast. There is a cost to waiting. Every time you send a vehicle to another shop for ADAS calibration, you're not just losing out on a service, you're handing over the calibration fee itself, potential follow-up services that customer might need, and future loyalty, because customers often stick with the shop that offers full-service solutions. Let's break it down. Cost of ADAS services can change a lot based on what's being performed, what vehicle it's being performed on, and where in the world your shop is located. There are a lot of estimates out there, but for now, let's use information from Hunter's ADAS Hub. Hunter's data estimates an average ADAS service at around $232. Now imagine your shop sees just 5 vehicles per week that require ADAS calibration. That's $1,160 per week, or over $60,000 a year. Now if you bring in 10 customers, that doubles to more than $120,000 annually, and all that revenue could be going directly to you instead of lining the coffers of a competitor. And that's just on calibrations, not including additional alignment and repair work. Think about the long-term potential, including customer recommendations and repeat business from those who trust your shop to handle advanced services efficiently. As we talked about in the first video of this series, adding ADAS calibration services is easier than you think. If you're already performing alignments, you're more than halfway there. With Hunter's ADAS solutions, most calibrations can be done in your existing alignment bay, minimizing the need for additional space. Dynamic calibrations can be performed with tools like ADAS Link, while adding the DAS 3000 static calibration fixture expands your capabilities even further. Additionally, the Hunter Ultimate ADAS system allows you to perform both alignments and static calibrations quickly and efficiently, all in the same bay, significantly increasing your shop's productivity and revenue potential. If you don't answer the door when opportunity knocks, then it and your customers are going to head to a different shop. More and more OEMs require ADAS calibrations when performing certain services or after a crash. So if your customer needs ADAS services and your competition is offering them, there's only a couple questions left. When will you start, and how much will you charge? Ready to capture the revenue you've been missing? Contact your local Hunter representative today to find out how easy it is to bring ADAS calibration into your shop.